We're back on the halftime report. Senator Bob Pisani now with today's ETF Edge. Hey, Bob.
Hello, Scotty. I am here at Vanguard headquarters in Malvern, Pennsylvania. I am sitting on the company's brand new trading floor, and it's beautiful. Vanguard is now the world's largest mutual fund and ETF provider, and it's the second largest asset manager. $7.8 trillion in assets under management. Think about that. Let's talk with the man in charge of those ETFs and the chief advisor here, Greg Davis, Vanguard's chief investment officer. Greg, before I ask about the ETF business, the one thing on everybody's minds, direction of interest rates right now. What are you telling Vanguard investors? Where are interest rates heading going into the end of 2023 and into 2024?
Well, thanks for the question, Bob. What we've been trying to tell investors is that they have to stay invested for the long term, and that the higher interest rate environment that we're in right now is something that for long-term investors, they're having an opportunity to actually be more diversified. They have an opportunity to be in money market funds that are offering a 5.25 type yield, so something they haven't seen in over a decade. There's opportunities in the fixed income space that we really haven't seen. So for our long-term investors, we think there's a lot of compelling value, not only in money markets, but bond funds. And then ultimately, when you talk about the direction of interest rates, again, we think the Federal Reserve has a couple more hikes potentially in store because the markets are still operating at a relatively high level.
Are rates going to be higher a year from now? They're still going to have those 5.25% money market funds?
Yeah, I mean, what we think is the Fed has a good potential to raise rates at least 1 to 2 more times between now and the end of the rate hiking cycle. And then the goal is for them to stay at an elevated level for longer because the economy is still running at a relatively fast speed. Inflation is still relatively high, above their targets. And so we think they're going to be elevated for an extended period of time.
Now, you said in January to expect below average returns for stocks in the next few years. You talked about 4.7 to 6.7% return. That's historically below average. The S&P is up 7-8% this year.
Yep.
Why should we be expecting below average returns in equities in the next few years? What's the problem here?
Yeah, so a couple things, Bob. First, I would say that forecast that we gave you was for a 10-year time horizon, right? So yes, you're right. The equity market's up about 8% this year. But again, when we're looking out over the next 10 years or so, a big part of that is driven by valuations. When you look at where valuations are today relative to other asset classes, U.S. equities just don't look as compelling. And so when we're thinking about U.S. equities, we're expecting a 5% annualized return for the next decade. We think the international markets offer more value because valuations are more appropriately priced.
You run a $2 trillion ETF business. That's one of the largest in the world. You're the two biggest that are out there with your competitors out there. What are you hearing from them? Where are the flows going this year, and where do you anticipate seeing them in 2024?
We've taken in about $105 billion in flows this year. 2/3 of it has been into the equities. And I'd say when you look at equities specifically, it's been driven into 2 products, primarily the S&P 500 index and total stock market. When you think about the other third that actually went into fixed income, the majority of it went into the U.S. ag product, total bond, and the other component was the global ag. So nice diversification across equities and fixed income.
So index is still winning. That's the bottom line right now. Okay, we're going to have a lot more coming up on Vanguard's economic outlook for 2024. That's coming up. Greg's going to give it to us along with his outlook for stocks and bonds. He'll be joined by Janelle Jackson. She's Vanguard's global head of ETF capital markets. Here's your chance to learn more about Vanguard's very large suite of ETF products in both equities and bonds. We'll be talking about that. That's coming up at 1:10 p.m. on etfedge.cnbc.com. And then at 1:45 Eastern Time, I'll have an exclusive interview. Vanguard CEO Tim Buckley, what he's telling investors as well. Scott, back to you.
All right, good stuff, Bob. Look forward to all that. Thank you, Bob Pisani.